Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today we're diving into the ultimate banana smoothie recipe, exploring the key ingredients, blending techniques, and health benefits. Is there anything more satisfying than a perfectly blended, creamy drink on a busy morning? The banana smoothie stands out as the unsung hero of quick nutrition. It is simple, affordable, and requires minimal effort for maximum payoff. This blended beverage, made predominantly from bananas and a base liquid, is a cornerstone of healthy eating. It provides fast energy and essential nutrients in a portable cup. This video will show you the exact steps to create the thickest, best-tasting basic banana smoothie. We will also explore the surprising health advantages of making this smoothie a daily habit. Finally, you will find easy tips to personalize your blend, transforming a basic recipe into a custom-made nutritional powerhouse. Get ready to simplify your routine and power up your day with this amazing drink. The simple secret to the best banana smoothie recipe. Making a superb smoothie is not complicated. The secret lies in preparation and component ratios. If you want a smoothie that tastes more like soft-serve ice cream than a watery juice, you must pay attention to the details. Starting with the right ingredients and blending them correctly ensures a perfect texture every time. Essential ingredients, what you must have on hand. A basic banana smoothie requires only two main components, but choosing them wisely changes everything. The single most important ingredient is the frozen banana. Please do not skip this step. Using room temperature bananas and adding ice cubes dilutes the flavor and results in a thin, slushy texture. When you freeze ripe bananas, they become smooth and icy, lending a thick, creamy consistency to the final product without watering it down. Use bananas that have turned slightly spotty. They are sweeter and blend better. You also need a liquid base. This might be dairy milk, almond milk, soy milk, coconut water, or even plain cold water. The liquid is necessary to help the blades turn and control the thickness. Finally, many people add a touch of sweetness. A small spoonful of honey, agave nectar, or maple syrup can enhance the flavor, depending on how ripe your bananas were. Step-by-step blending guide for a super smooth texture. The order in which you add ingredients to your blender really matters. Following a specific layering technique protects your blender blades and ensures a smooth, even texture from top to bottom. Add liquids first. Pour your chosen liquid into the blender jar. This step is critical because liquid near the blades starts the vortex, preventing air pockets from forming. Include soft ingredients. If using a sweetener, yogurt or soft fresh fruit, add those next. Finish with frozen items. Place the chunks of frozen banana and any other hard ingredients, like ice or frozen berries, on top. This way, the liquid can pull the dense frozen items down toward the blade as it spins. Blend gradually. Start the blender on a low setting to crush the fruit, then increase the speed to high until the mixture looks completely uniform and creamy. You should see no chunks remaining. Adjust consistency. If the mixture stalls and seems too thick, stop the blender and add a splash of extra liquid. If the smoothie turned out too thin for your liking, add a few more frozen banana slices or a spoonful of oats and blend again briefly. Hidden health benefits of sipping a banana smoothie daily. A simple banana smoothie is much more than a tasty treat. It is a nutritional powerhouse. Incorporating this smoothie into your daily diet provides several health advantages, delivering essential nutrients quickly and efficiently. Boost your energy naturally. Why bananas tame the midday crash? Bananas are famous for delivering quick energy, but this energy is actually quite sustained. They contain complex carbohydrates. These carbs break down slowly, offering a steady flow of glucose into your bloodstream. This prevents the sharp peaks and valleys often experienced after eating refined sugar. The standout feature of bananas is their high potassium content. Potassium is an essential electrolyte. It plays a primary role in muscle function, nerve signals, and fluid balance. Sipping a banana smoothie helps replenish electrolytes and can be particularly useful for preventing muscle cramps, especially after physical activity. You now know how to make the perfect basic banana smoothie and understand why it's a nutritional powerhouse. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.